Welcome back to the channel. My name is Cheney, and today we're unboxing plus size vintage from a close friend. Yes, it is that hot. Now, today I am opening up a package from a close friend, Diane Schiffer. You've seen her children here on this channel. Diane has Noah, Miki, Louisa, and Amelia. And I think you've seen all of them here on this channel at some point, or you will. Now, Miss Diane and I have become very close. We have really bonded over plus size vintage clothing, and she just recently gave me a beautiful Lane Bryant dress for Christmas. It's absolutely beautiful. It's like 1940s, 50s red floral print. Most of my vintage clothes have come from her, and we really bonded over trying to figure out this, can we wear vintage clothing if you're fat? And the answer is yes, you can wear vintage clothing if you're fat, because there were fat people in the past. There's this whole misconception about how like being fat is so new. It's not. Yes, there are far more fat people today than there was a long time ago, but there were fat people. So she has packed a lovely package for me. I purchased like 3 dresses from her, but if she packs her packages any way along the lines of how she packs her lunches, it's going to be overflowing with goodies. So I'm really excited. Yeah, whenever I go up to see the Schiffers, she sends me back home with a snack and a lunch, which ends up being 3 meals. So she's just such a generous person, and she's really spent the time to explain to me like foundation garments, how people would be starching things. So I'm still learning, but I'm so excited about this package. So here we go. Let me just make sure there are no identifying marks. Yep, I scratched everything off. So I have my handy dandy knife here. And I don't want to stab my eyeball. And right away, I see some really beautiful paper. Just leave it to Miss Diane to pack something so beautiful. And everything is just so neatly packaged. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna pull each one out. And she has on the front, she's packaged, this may be acid-free paper, I think it is. And she has some writing here. Yeah, let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I love this dress. She showed it before. It's absolutely beautiful. A Dom Christ. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's pink, green, and we have some brown in here. And I think that this is, it's a lightweight silk. But it is in excellent condition. Oh, again, it is hot. I'm gonna put it up against here so that I know what I'm pulling out. And then these are some scarves. Oh my gosh, these are vintage. This is a vintage bandana. Just a simple vintage bandana. I love this. Oh my gosh. So I collect scarves from all the from the Olympics. And so I have a few vintage ones. But I was talking to her about just how I'm just fascinated by scarves from all over the place. And this is the Buckeye State, Ohio. And I think this is Puerto Rico. Let me see. Hankies. You can never have enough hankies. That's what the first time I met Miss Diane, she told me that. Oh my gosh. She has as many different kinds. This is a black dress. This is, I think this will fit me once I have my girdle on. This is beautiful, and it has a belt. Lightweight cotton dress, embroidered trim. It appears to be unworn, perfect condition, and I would attest to that. It is beautiful condition. It's absolutely beautiful. And this is, the waist is a 46. Okay, next one. Miss Diane, I'm sure she has so many surprises in here. These are just already absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness, I love this dress. It looks so different in person. This is a very interesting belt. It's like a celluloid belt. It's interesting. It's plastic, but it's like early form. It's very interesting. Another vintage dress. This one is Fruit of the Loom. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness. Once again, we have so far 3 vintage plus size dress, and not just like, oh, a size 14. These are size 20 plus, plus size. So again, what did you say? There is no plus size vintage? I think this was my favorite one. Yeah, I love this dress. They all have matching belts, which was very common during the period. And she just lovingly provides me with the waist measurements and everything. This will fit me without any type of extra foundation. Yeah, this will. I love this dress. I think this is a house dress. Yes. And it's absolutely beautiful. Belt added, odd, not stiffened. Super cute pink piping. It is super cute, Miss Diane. This piping is so cute. I love it. I think this is definitely my favorite. This is my favorite. As you all know, I kind of like a lot of color, just from looking at what I'm wearing today. We have the next dress. Okay, this I think will definitely fit me. I think so, yes. I love this one. I love these swirls, the whites. There is no belt that came along with it, but these things can easily, you can get a white belt or even a black belt. they're not hard to find secondhand, or even you can get a new belt. Oh, I love this one. I love these buttons. Oh, there's 3 different types of buttons. Do you see this? 3 different types of buttons. I love this dress. I think I know what this is. Oh my gosh. It is a corselet. I think, she said, I think this will fit you. I think this will fit me. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. This is a corselet. And I definitely feel this is my size. Yes. Oh my gosh. You all don't know how hard these are to find. They're extremely hard, and to find one that you could actually wear and it is like new, oh my goodness. Wow. Just wow. 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 Did I say wow? There is still so much in this box. Whew. Oh, wow. I totally forgot what these are called. But these are also period undergarments, basically a bra. And it still has the tags, everything on it. Oh my gosh. It still has everything on it. It's crazy. She has so many surprises in here. Oh my goodness, I think I know what this is. This is the all-in-one. This is a shift. Yeah. This is a shift. This is cute. I love this. Ooh. Miss Diane looking out for your girl. Looking out for your girl. Oh my goodness. And it's the same beautiful pink as the last one. This is I think this will definitely fit me. Whoa. This is another bra, but I would not wear this. This is like more for, you know, taking a look at it. Unless she meant for me to wear it. I'll ask her. But I definitely am going to be eyeing this. I think this is actually something that I can construct. This is out of cotton. So this is, again, another bra-like situation. And okay, here it is. And it says, I love this garment made according to underwear standards. And I think these are the ones that she purchased from old new stock. So things that weren't sold during the period, but they did sell later. Oh, this is so cool. I'm gonna take a look at these things in depth a bit later, but I just wanted to show you what was coming out of this mega box. We have one last one. This is a bit older. And it is another all-in-one. Oh, I love these. These are so cool. So essentially it is underwear, the top and bottom. And so it has a split here. Thank you so much, Miss Diane. I just got 4 dresses from you, and of course I got the whole shebang, so thank you so much. It's absolutely beautiful. I'll work through it over the next few days and come bug you about little details. I'm so excited. I just wanted to share this with you because there's a lot of misconceptions over plus size vintage. It is out there, even the undergarments. It's extremely hard. It's extremely hard for me to find things that fit me. And the fact that Miss Diane was able to find a corselet that fit me, oh my gosh. This is amazing. I'm probably gonna go try this on right now because I'm flipping out. But thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like us and subscribe. A special thanks to my Patreons. Thank you for all you contribute. It is because of you that I can continue sharing and educating. Thank you. Please, please, please reach out. Let me know down below if you all have collected any vintage plus size. What are some of your concerns? What are some of your frustrations? Because I will be doing more plus size vintage. Thank you so much for joining us. Have a good day.